Learn how to use Slack for customer support. With Suptask, you can manage and scale customer support natively in Slack. With Suptask, you can provide customer support directly on Slack, building closer relationships with key customers without leaving Slack. Customer support on Slack is enabled by installing Suptask to your Slack workspace and configuring Suptask for your external customer channels. We recommend a clear naming convention for your customer channels, such as #xcustomerAcme. Customers can easily submit any request they have directly in the Slack channel, just like any message on Slack. Simply add the ticket emoji to turn any message into a support ticket instantly. Categorize requests to guide customers through a tailored workflow. Customers can fill in additional fields of information to help support agents respond faster. Track real-time updates and conversations on the submitted support request directly in the message thread. With the Suptask Self-Service Hub in Slack, customers can access and overview their tickets from the Suptask app without leaving Slack. Customers can overview and track their tickets from the Suptask app without any extra installation. They can open any of the active tickets to instantly view full details and follow the conversation. Customers can easily leave a reply on the ticket and follow the updates of the ticket. Sign up today at suptask.com and get started with a free trial of a customer support system tailored for Slack.